How to become the best version of yourself this 2025, lalo na po in the area of your finances. Number 1, don't rely too much on others. Meaning, wag ka pong maging dependent sa ibang tao. Once kasi na naging dependent ka po sa kanila, okay ka lang na mag-relax. Wala ka nang gagawin. Kaya kapag nahihirapan ka, ang iniisip mo na lang is meron po sila na pwede mong takbuhan. So meaning, tamad ka lang po talaga. Dependent ka po. Wala kang sariling desisyon, wala kang sariling pinagkakakitaan, wala kang sariling diskarte, kaya wala pong nangyayari sa buhay mo, lalo na po sa inyong financial life. People come and go, and kailangan nating maging independent po para po kahit wala yung mga kaibigan mo or iniwan ka po ng jowa mo, ay pwede ka pa rin tumayo on your own kasi nga you know yourself that you can stand alone. If you do this, I swear marami ka pong matututunan, and yung ngang hindi mo kaya noon, pwede mo nang gawin because of that challenge na challenge mo sa inyong sarili, that you can do it. So you can be the best version of yourself if you do it on your own. Yung proseso naman po kasi ang titignan, not the result. The process kung paano mo nakayanan yung isang bagay na hindi mo kaya noon, na akala mo hindi mo pa kaya. Number 2, expect nothing from others. Let go of expectations and free yourself from disappointment. Instead, focus on your actions and let life reward you when the time is right. Marami kasing klaseng expectation na pwede nating i-expect sa ating buhay. Kunwari, nag-expect ka na gugustuhin ka ng isang mayaman na guy or girl. Then, syempre, parang nag-depend ka na doon. Nag-expect ka na bubuti ang inyong kalagayan sa pamumuhay. Magkakaroon ka ng financial freedom. Pero minsan ang ating expectation ay hindi po ganun. Minsan opposite po yung nangyayari. At the end, nagkakaroon ng mas worse pang kalagayan sa pamumuhay. So galaw-galaw ka din, wag puro expectation in order to become the best version of yourself. Number 3, focus on your own growth, on yourself. So committing to daily learning is not just a habit, but a mindset shift na pwedeng makapagbago sa inyong direction in life. If you stop learning, you start failing. The moment kasi na kapag sinabihan mo na ang sarili mo na hindi mo na kailangan mag-aral at alam mo na ang lahat, the moment din kasi na walang growth na mangyayari sa inyong buhay. So true success is not about reaching single destination. It's about who you become along the way. Remember, becoming the best version of yourself is not about perfection. It's all about dedicating yourself to learning, improving, and making progress every day. In line to these 3, paano natin i-manage ang ating finances, lalo na sa ating investment or pag-i-invest. Marami po kasing nai-scam ngayon. So, para po maiwasan natin ang mai-scam, don't rely too much on others. Don't expect on them. Kapag nag-invest ka po sa kanilang sinasabi or tinuturo, ay magdudoble po yung inyong investment. So, maraming nai-scam sa word na yan. So, kailangan din natin magkaroon ng education, kailangan natin mag-focus sa ating pag-aaral when it comes to investment in cryptocurrencies, para tayo na po mismo ang diretsong mag-i-invest sa mga ganyang investment, lalo na sa stock market or even in other investment opportunities. So take note of that. I hope this video helps, and if do so, please do like and subscribe. Once again, this is Ibingat Grace saying sharing is caring. Bye. See you.